Hello, today I'm in Mercedes V Class. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable Attention Assistant. In the beginning your assistant menu is on the speedometer display. In order to navigate through it, you have to use this panel on the steering wheel. So firstly, let's press Home button and then navigate through it by these two buttons. Let's go to the Settings and enter Assistance. Enter Attention Assistant and select between Deactivated, Standard and Sensitive. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.